Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word fees. Dear students, you are watching Class 6 Science Chapter number 4, Fiber to Fabric, Part 3rd. In this video, we will discuss types of fibers. So let's start, dear students. Natural fibers. Fibers that are obtained from plants and animal sources are called what? Natural fibers. Dear students, natural fiber, the fibers that are obtained from the plant, which are gained from the plant and the animals are called what? Natural fiber. Based on the source, natural fiber are divided into the two types, plant fiber and animals fiber. Dear students, based on the if we are talking natural source, natural fibers are divided into the two parts, that is plant fibers and the animals fibers. Now, dear students, what is the natural fiber? The fabrics made from the natural fibers is called what? Natural fabric. Now, first, fibers obtained from the plants are called what? Plant fibers. Example of plant fibers like cotton, jute, coir, hemp, flax are the example of what? These are the example of natural fiber which is obtained from the plant. So it is called what? Plant fibers. For example, wool and the other silk is obtained from the animal, so it is called what? Animal fibers. We know very well these cotton, jute we obtain from the plant, so it is called what? Plant fiber. Example are as follow. First, cotton obtained from the fruits of cotton plant, known as what? Cotton ball. Now second is jute obtained from the stem of a jute plant. Flax, dear student, is called in Hindi sun, obtained from the stalks of flax plant. Hemp, in Hindi it is called bhang, obtained from the stem of a hemp plants. Coir, obtained from the outer covering of coconuts. Sessile, obtained from the leaves of sessile plant. Dear student, that sessile plant plants fiber are used to making rope. Silk cotton obtained from the fruit of silk cotton trees, known as kapok. Now, dear students, second, fibers obtained from the animals are called what? Animal fiber. Dear students, earlier I told you the fiber which is obtained from the animals, that are called what? Animals fiber, like silk, wool. Example are follows: silk and wool. Silk obtained from the cocoons of silkworm moth. Wool obtained from the hair of sheep. Now, dear students, synthetic or man-made fiber, fibers that are made by the human beings and produced from the chemical substances using chemical method are called what? Synthetic fiber. The fibers, fabric made up of synthetic fibers is called what? Even then synthetic fabric. Simple examples are nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic. These are what? Synthetic fiber. Dear students, again I repeated, the fibers that are made by the human from the different chemicals in the industries are called what? Human made or the synthetic fibers. Now come to the activity, dear students. Aim to examine the given fabrics and compare their water absorption and drying capacity. Now, what are the material required? Equal piece of wool and polyester. Here we use what? Natural fiber and animal fiber, and next we use what? Synthetic fiber. Close each 2 beaker water and a measuring cylinder. Dear students, now come to the procedure. Take a piece each of wool and the polyester. We have to first take a piece of wool and polyester. Now the piece should be in a same size, both having a same size, wool and polyester. Now take 2 beaker containing the same volume of water. Means to say we have to take separate 1 beaker for wool and 1 beaker for polyester and same volume of water. Soak the piece separately in the beakers. Now we have to put the wool piece and the polyester piece into the beaker for the soaking. Now after 5 minutes, take a piece out container. We have to take out the piece from the container and put them for drying. Measure the volume of water left behind in each beaker using measuring cylinders. Compare the result obtained. Note the time taken for the cloth piece to dyeing and record your observation. Dear students, here we use two type of fabrics. First is wool, second is polyester. Before experiment we have to write here water label. After experiment we have to write here time for dyeing, even then also write. Now, which fabric absorb more water? Dear students, we know very well wool absorb more water. Which fabrics dried faster? Dear students, synthetic fiber like polyester dries faster. Now, conclusion, dear student, there is more surface area on the wool for water to interact with which is absent in the polyester. So, wool absorb more water, and synthetic fiber like polyester dries faster. So dear student, that is the conclusion of our activity. Hope you understood this activity. Dear students, you have to read these paragraphs carefully. Thank you students. Stay home, be safe.